Guys, it's Brienne. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And both of you guys like and leave a comment. Today, I'm going to talk about my everyday makeup that I wear almost every day. As you can see, a lot of Urban Decay going on. Yeah, I stick to what I know. And then towards the end of my video, stay tuned for my ColourPop mini haul. I just bought a few little things that I was super excited about, and I kind of can't wait to wear and can't wait to show you guys. So to start with is my everyday stuff. Want to let you know I totally forgot my foundation and my highlighter because I left them in my car, but they're by Urban Decay and I think the highlighter is by ColourPop. I'll add it to this description below. Here is my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. So this one I don't use every day. I only really use it if I'm going to do my makeup, like a lot of eyeshadow, or have it look really amazing, or if I'm going out or something. So I don't wear this every day. A little does go a long way because I've had that bottle for quite some time. Just goes on really nice. Then I have my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. So again, don't wear it all the time. This is my favorite. It's the Beached Bronzer. It gives you an amazing sun-kissed look. As you can see, I use this every day. And it's kind of pricey at 40 bucks, so yeah, but it is amazing. Then my Urban Decay highlighter, which is also kind of pricey. I used it until it was all gone. I didn't buy it again because it wasn't my favorite. I know there's less expensive highlighters out there. Then this is my Urban Decay black eyeliner. I have a few of these that are all this size because I just use them, lose them, and then I find them, and yeah, I just need to buy a brand new one, start all over. This is my eyeshadow by Morphe. So again, this one was just kind of inexpensive. I wanted to start wearing eyeshadow every day. As you can see, I wear glitz and glam all the time. Then it's bling bling, then it's ballsy. I tried wearing pizzazz, but it's a little bit too much for every day, but I really just like having a little bit of shimmer on my eyes. I think it looks really, really cute. Okay, guys. Next is my lip gloss. It is just plain old Kiehls Mint Lip Balm. It is the best lip balm ever. If you're in the market for something new or you have really dry lips, go with this one. It's only $9. It lasts a really long time and you will love it. Okay, so this one, not a huge fan. It's just pencil, eyebrow pencil. Not great, but it gets the job done, and yeah, not so excited about that one. Anyways, here is all of my makeup again. As you can see, I don't wear a lot. I kind of stick to Urban Decay just because I can go to the Urban Decay store and like just tell them what I need, and they're really good about giving me exactly what I'm looking for. And I just really like to have a really natural complexion, natural look, and then I'll throw on some eyeshadows if I'm ever interested in having a little bit more of a pop. Okay guys, and now we're moving on to all of the awesome ColourPop stuff I bought. First, I love this Made in LA. I'm a sucker for anything that has to do with Los Angeles or California, so they got me there. And then look at this packaging. It is so, so cute. I love the rainbows. Love everything about it. I'm a sucker for packaging as much as I am for California stuff. Anyways, what I was really looking for was stuff that I could add to my everyday. So here's just a quick overview of everything that I got. Got a concealer, some highlighter, an eyeshadow palette, and some lip gloss. So I was super excited because the prices at ColourPop are amazing and I was able to get a lot for my money. Also, okay guys, I love that it comes with this cute little postcard, resting beach face. I suffer from RBF, so I love it. I can't wait to put it up somewhere. So the first thing I got was the No Filter Stix. It is a concealer. I actually already started using this, so it looks like it's been used, and that's because it has. It's just super easy to put on. It goes on beautifully. You can kind of see a little goes a long way. I love makeup that, you know, you're not using half a stick a day or something. So I'm super duper excited, and it goes on so creamy and so smooth, and I just had high hopes for it, and it really came through, so I was super excited. Next is this Maleficent highlighter. Maleficent is my favorite villain, and again, the packaging is so cute. I am not a lime green fan, but it just totally goes with the dark background. Maleficent looks so cool. It's so pretty. And then we can take a look at the highlighter, which I already used again. I couldn't help it. As soon as I got it, I wanted to try it out. And it's a really just nice, natural looking shade. I mean, it's supposed to kind of be like a shocking type shade, but I think it's something I can probably pull off every day. My skin's already kind of tan, so it just makes me look a little shiny, which I like. And then I got Ursula. So this is part of the Villains collection as well. And okay, this packaging is so, so cute. Like that Poor Unfortunate Souls, like holographic-y thing is so awesome. I mean, who doesn't love Ursula? She's literally like my kindred spirit animal. Is she an animal? Is she a person? I don't know. Anyways, I just think like the packaging looks so cool. And I don't know when I'm done with it. I don't know. I'm not going to be able to throw it away. And then look how pretty. So it matches like her shade. And I thought this was going to be like super shocking. Like I couldn't wear it. Like I'd have to like wear it on special occasions. But look, it goes on so pretty. It's not like super out there. Like I really feel like I could get away with it at work or like just in everyday makeup. It's so, so pretty though. Like I was really excited about that. Then the next thing that I got was lip gloss. So this is also from the Disney collection. This one is called Bobbidi, and it's ultra glossy lip. It's super, super pretty. Kind of gives me like 90s really glossy lip gloss vibes. Anyways, the packaging on this one is so cute too. Like I love dark black packaging, so that's super, super pretty. You can see it super pink. This color is like a color I always buy. Anytime I'm shopping for lip gloss, I always gravitate towards that shade of like pink, like almost a rosy pink. So as you can see, it's pretty sheer, and then it's super glossy, like it's super shiny. I really like it. I think it looks really pretty. Then the next one I got was also another Disney designer ultra glossy lip, and this one is called Boo. Not to be confused with Boo from Monsters, Inc. It's that Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, like the fairy godmother. And this color is just my favorite color. I love this color. It doesn't always look as good on me as I hope, but I just always tend to go towards this color because it's so pretty. I love how it looks. See how it's more of like an orangey, peachy shade? I just think it's so pretty. This one actually goes on a lot more sheer on my lips than it does like me testing it out there, but I've worn it almost every single day since I got it. I got it about a week ago. Okay guys, California Love eyeshadow palette. Again, I'm a sucker for things with California or things with Los Angeles, so you can see they're all like California themed, except for Highway 1. Okay, up north, I know you guys call it Highway 1. I'm from Southern California. We call it PCH, so I don't know if you're Team PCH or Team Highway 1, but it's all good. It's all California-y, so, you know. So let's see. Okay, so let's take a look. Again, the packaging is so cute. Those palm trees. Now we're going to take a look at all the different shadows. So the one that I've been gravitating a lot to is at the top left. It's Diego. It is super, super bronzy and shiny. I also really like Cruisin' and Cahuenga. So they just have really super bronzy, pretty colors. Gold Rush actually looks kind of cute too. I like the shimmer and sparkle inside of it. I tried out El Capitan the other day. It's just a little bit too much gritty glitter. Like, I'm not a huge fan of like super, super, super glittery stuff. And it just felt like bam, too much glitter. So I don't know. It's not really for me. But here's Diego. You can see how pretty it looks. Just so super bronzy and shiny. And that is all of my ColourPop stuff, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing that. Here's all of it together. You can kind of see how pretty it all looked. You guys, the packaging is just so cute. Okay, obviously I don't get out and buy makeup a lot, but it's so super pretty and it just looks so sunny and bronzy. I don't know. I love it. Anyways, guys, let me know what your favorite brands are, what kind of stuff you'd like to see. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, till next time. Bye.